that you were mine.
What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can use Google Images and it is going to be copyright free. So how you can use Google Images which is going to be copyrighted free. So let me just go ahead and teach you how you can do that. So just go on Google and type, for example, I want to search for a car, and if I want to search for a car, whatever the images I'm going to get from Google is going to be from different website. It is going to be official from that website, and if I try to use it, it is going to be said that you have to give the credit to the person who have clicked the pictures. So let me show you how you can use Google Images and it is going to be royalty free, and you don't have to give a credit to that image and so on and so forth. So all of the things you see is from different website, cardeco.com, auto.ndtv.com. So all of the images you see it right over here is going to be from different website. It is done by Google from crawler, or you can say Google Spider. So that happens is it just searches the Google, and whatever the new images are uploaded on the website, it is going to take that images and show it on the Google search. So you can't just go and copy it from different website because it has a copyrighted issue. So if I click on any of the images, there you see image may have subject to copyright, so you don't have to use that kind of an image. So let me show you how we can do that. So there is on Google search you will get a tool option. Click on tool option and you will have usage rights, not filtered by license. That means it is going to be from what you say that this image is going to be lead due to the copyright strike. So this second option given by Google is labeled for reuse with modification. You can use that images, but you need to do some modification. That means you need to do some edit to that. Next option is labeled for reuse. So this kind of an image we are going to talk about. All of the images you see it right over here. For example, this Audi looks amazing to me. So if I click on it, this is going to show that this car is a PNG and it is showing image may subject to copyright. So that option says maybe because Google is not sure that it is going to be. So let me just go ahead and show you what is pixabay.com. If I lead you to the website of Pixabay, it shows free for commercial use, no attribute required. That means this is royalty free images. You can directly use this image and there will be no issue of having any copyright to it. So this image was amazing, and all of the images you see it right over here is going to be different. So you saw about Pixabay. Next website is Pixel. So if I click on Pixel, same things apply over here. Free for personal and commercial use, no attribute required. All you have to do is just go and tool label for reuse. So if I use it label for reuse, I don't do any modification to it. But if I want to do modification, that means adding some of the text or doing some edit to that image, I can use this kind of an image as well by clicking on this. Next comes for non-commercial use with modification, which is not going to be used by us. So labeled for reuse, and you can use whatever images is there because all of the website from this is going to be royalty free, like free for commercial use and no personal attribute required. So that's about it. So just go and use Google in a smart way, and that's about it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. By the way, which car is your favorite? My favorite car is going to be this Lamborghini, but there you see so many of them. Text is there, so it's not a good idea to use this kind of an image, but Lamborghini is Lamborghini. So here is the image which I got, and I can use it later on. So wrap up this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nasir and I'm signing out. See you in the next one.